One of the absolute coolest things that we get to do in restoring someone's mouth health and smile and confidence is the all on X type of treatment approach. So all on X just stands for whether it be 4, 6, 8 implants. It's all the teeth being gone in someone's jaw and placing a minimum of 4, 6 if we can, or more if you need to, implants that one restorative prosthesis called a hybrid denture is attached to. So if you imagine that you lost all your teeth 2 decades ago, you didn't have a ton of options. You think about what a traditional denture is. It's an acrylic prosthetic that you can take in and out of your mouth that visually replaces all your teeth, but isn't held fast or stable by anything other than suction and potentially some adhesive goo that you put inside of it. When we take someone that has been in that position and then can place several implants into the remaining bone and attach something like a hybrid denture to it that they can't take in and out, that can't come loose when they eat, that doesn't cover their palate and minimize their ability to taste or enjoy food, it is absolutely transformational from a confidence standpoint, from a functional ability, and from a cosmetic result. It is amazing.